in the figure, ABCD is a trapezium, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Find ABC. Okay. So we got to find this little angle here. We take 180 minus 75 minus 69 equals to 180 minus 75 minus 69. 36 degrees. So this small thing is 36 degrees. So with an AC is a straight line trapezium. AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. So we have a alternate angle here. You can see alternate angle. Right? It means this is 36 degrees. Z. Letter Z. Right? Alternate angle. So this side also 36 degrees. So to find angle ABC, we take 180 minus 36 minus 36, which is 72. We got 108. That's it.
Yay!
Yay! I'm going to go through question number 10.
Nope.
Let me see. Control C, Control D. What Control C, Control D? What's Control C, Control D? Yes. Okay, Isaac, go through. Alrighty. Mei. What a name, man. Mei bought a total of 119 strawberry jelly and longan jelly. So after her friends had eaten 5, 6, and 2/3. Okay. Before and after. Typical before and after. I like before and after because if you understand, it's easy to use, to do. If you don't understand, it's a pain. It's really a pain, right? You gotta use guess and check. Okay. So now before and after, strawberry, mei, longan. So 8 units of strawberry. Minus 5 units left, 3 units. Longan, 2/3. So 3 parts, minus 2 parts, left 1 part. Now the problem is equal number of strawberry and longan were left. So I need to make the
That's easy.
I need to make this one same because whatever is left is the same. So the only way to make it the same is I modify the longan so that it becomes 3 unit. Okay, so if bottom is 3, everything times 3. So this is 9u minus 6u. Okay, see that? So that now the bottom, they are both 3 units, 3 units. So before and after. So how many jelly of which type, which part? So at first there was a total of 119. So we look at the original units, right? Which is 8 and 9. So 8 plus 9 equals 17. So 17 units represent 119. 1 unit represent 1 and 9 divided by 17. Divided by 17. 1 unit is 7. 7. So how many jelly did of each type? So 8 unit would be 56 and 9 unit is 7 times 9, 63. Okay, so longan 63 and yeah. Right.
Mrs. Teng, just know something will happen my computer. Is it that you left?
I left. No, I didn't leave. I'm here.
What?
Let me check. Still here. Save the board. Good.
Oh.
Yeah, right. The connection. But I'm still here. Laser point. Close point. Save. Yeah. Okay. Save. Can. Still around.
Phew.
Okay. So this is question number 10. Any question, anyone?
Nope.
No. We move on.
15, 11 is 658.
Okay, move on. Okay, so 11 is 378. 378.
Do you mind going through?
Sure, I can go through. 378. What did you get? 658. No. 378. Okay, so how to do this? John and Leisha had 2,160 stamps. John gave 30% of stamps to Leisha. Leisha then sold 50% of her stamps. They had 1,269 stamps left in the end. How many stamps did John have in the end? John and Alicia had 2,160 stamps. John gave 30% to Alicia. Okay, I wasn't processing this, right? Now let's process one more time. JL 30 to Alicia. Alicia sold 50. They have one to. Wow, okay, difficult. This one. I will use units and parts. Every time a question falls under difficult category, I will use units and parts. Because John and Leisha, like this.
Wow, this is difficult.
So let's say John had 100 units. Okay, gave 30%. Okay, and Leisha started with 100 parts. John gave 30% to Leisha. So minus 50 is minus 30. Minus 30 unit left 70 unit, right? So here must plus 30 units. So after adding 30 units, it becomes 100 part plus 30U, you know. Okay, this is the first part.
So we do.
Yeah, it's
So we
confusing.
do half times 130 units.
Yeah, okay. Isaac cannot use guess and check because it's too complicated. There are two scenarios. Got double step. If you use guess and check, what?
John beat Leisha by 5% in
Very difficult. You cannot compare the percentage because 1% here is not the same as 1% there. Understand? You cannot use like 1%, 1%. Okay. So now what happened is that Leisha removed 50% of her stamps. So minus 50% means left with what? 50 parts plus 15U. Can you see how complicated this is? Half gone. Half of Alicia's is gone. So the 100 parts must chop into half. 30 unit also chop into half. So Alicia is actually left with 50 parts plus 15U. Now complicated units and parts again. Now we got two numbers, 2160 and 1296. Now if I take 100U plus 100 part is equal to 2160. If I take 70U plus 50 parts plus 15U is equal to 1269. Okay, complicated units and parts set up already. So let me write it out so I can see it clearly. Okay, so 100 unit plus 100 parts equals to 2160. Next one, 70 units plus 50 parts plus 15 units, 1269. Now from the second one, I'm going to just make it a little bit easier. Right, make it easier. Combine, so 85 unit plus 50 parts equals to 1269. Okay, so here comes the tricky solution because this is Rosai. Rosai love units and parts, right? Units and parts is like their signature move. You know signature move?
Oh, I mean a bit like
Huh?
Pokemon signature.
Signature move. You know Ip Man? Do you watch Ip Man?
No, but I watch
What?
Pokemon.
Wait, you all don't know Ip Man? Ip
No.
Man. Ip Man. Okay, Isaac asked a question. Why have 50 plus 15? Let me address this first. Because Lisha sold 50%, we must drop off 50%. Sold 50. Where is the 50%? She has this, then sell half.
You go away, Daddy.
The plus 30 is because
Go away.
John gave 30 to her. And 30 U is 30 of his.
Go away, please.
You understand? 30 unit. Can you see here? John minus 30 unit, ma? Then where the 30 unit go? Go to her. Got it? The 30 units went to her.
Seriously.
Okay, so back to our signature move. Eat Man got signature move, right? Do you know what's Eat Man signature move?
No.
Have you never watched man? He always like that, what? Always like that. Oh, signature move, then he pop like that. Got it? So Rosai's signature move is units and parts. They're very good at giving units and parts question. Now, what you need to do is you need to make the parts the same. So how to make parts the same? We take this whole thing times 2. So 85 becomes 170 U plus 100 part equals to big calculation time. Still 2,538. Long calculation. And then after that, we gotta compare. What do we compare? Compare this with this. Okay, now what's the difference? The difference is 70 unit. You see here, 700, 170 and 100 unit. Yeah? So 70 unit difference is equal to 2,538 minus 2,160. So 70 unit equals to 2,538 minus 2,160. 378. Now, what's the question? How many stamps did John have in the end? Use you see, use multiple colors. John has this, and 70 U equals this. So the answer is 378.
Yep. But you see,
One punch.
your way, I did 2160 minus 1269 equals
Yeah.
difference. Then minus the difference from 1269, which will give me 50.
Yeah.
Then I divide the answer by 50. Then times 70.
That's
Then get
annotate.
the answer.
Okay. Isaac wants to write something. Sure, that you write. Ding. Can annotate it. Okay, so this is the signature move, okay? One punch. One punch man signature move is just one punch. Okay, this one is a little bit difficult, I would say, right? Because of the dual scenario, the switched scenario, it becomes tough.
I don't know.
Oh no, okay, I go through. Very good, straightforward, right? Don't know means don't know. It's fine. Okay, Molly is my principal's name. Last time. Yeah, her name was Molly Tan. Had some 20-cent and 50-cent coins. 7, 8 of the coins were 20 cents, 5, the rest were 50 cents. Does this remind you of value and units? Yes, of course. Because there's value. Okay, Daniel, stop drawing. It's very distracting. Yeah, stop annotation.
It's Samuel. That's his drawing.
I see your name lah. Come on.
Oh, but Samuel, that is a drawing.
Okay. So Molly has some 20 cents, 50 cents. 7 over 8 were 20 cents. So I have value. Let's write the values first. 20 cents and 50 cents. Okay. 7 units. Units 7. U 1 U. Got it? 7 unit, 1 unit. You see, at this point of time, I still don't know. I don't have an answer. You understand? Like in my brain, I don't know how. I haven't even read the whole thing. But I'm confident of being able to solve it because I think value and units is able to help me, right? That's the good thing of knowing heuristics. So after Molly spent $78 worth of 50-cent coins and 3/7 of the 20-cent coins, she had 4/7 of the total coins left. Wow, right? 15 more minutes, yes. So Molly let's read this again. So, after Molly had spent $70 worth of, now if you spend $78 worth of 50-cent coins, how many coins were spent? You take 78 divided by 50 cents, which is this, you will get, sorry, not dollar, you get 156 coins. Okay, which means at first, this one was minus 156 coins. Okay, so minus 3 out of 7 of the 20 cents, so minus 3 units. Of course, here left 4 units. Okay, and this is 1U, take away 156. This is 4 out of 7 of the coins left. Right, so whatever is back there is 4 out of 7. Now, what does it look like? It's a mix of units and parts. What do you mean? Because 4U plus 1U minus 156 is equals to 4 parts. Okay, 4 parts of the original. This is the 4 parts. And if I take 7U, okay, wait. I found an easier way, so we don't have to make it so difficult. Okay, so what do I want to do? Now you see, the easier way is this. You look at this number, this is 8. So originally there were 8 units, right? But after that, they say that they want to compare with 7 parts. So basically the 8 units and the 7 parts is the same stuff. Got it? The 8 and the 7 is referring to the same question. So I decided to use this equal concept. Okay, let's try to switch to equal concept. What does this mean? This means I have to find a multiple between 7 and 8. Don't copy everything first. Let me just go through first. What's the multiple, common multiple of 7 and 8? Common multiple, 56. Good. So let's work it out again. Let's try another. Okay. So 20-cent coins, at first 7 units, but now I want to make it 56. So this whole thing times 7, so it's actually 49U, and times 7, so 50-cent coins. There were 7 units, right? So altogether 56 units. So here, minus 3 out of 7. So 3 out of 7 is 7 times 3 is 21U. Take away 21U, we left with 28 units, all right? So here, take away 156. That gives us 7U minus 156. And this 7U minus 156, they say, is equal to 4 out of 7.
Yay.
Okay? So we can compare already. This one is equal to 4 out of 7. What does it mean by 4 out of 7? 4 out of 7 of 56. 4 7 times 56. Because our original now is all changed to 56 units, right? So 407 times 56U is 32 units. Okay, so basically this is 32 unit. Now if that green color is 32 unit, So you see, it's complicated. Yeah, units and parts is their signature move, right? If I take 32 minus 28, I get 4 units. Wait, let me write down for you so you see what I see. So 28u plus 7u minus 156 equals 32 units. So if I were to remove everything, 35 units minus 156 equals 32 units. So 3 units equals to 156 and 1 unit equals to 52. Okay? And I haven't solved the question yet. The question is asking us, find the number of 50-cent coins Molly had left. All right, so at first she has 7 units. How do I know? Because it's here. So 7u equals to 52 times 7, 364. So how many left? 364 minus 156. 156, 208. See that? Super long working. At first I wanted to use value and units. Change my mind halfway, switch to equal concept. Doesn't matter. Okay? Don't worry about, you must use it. No, sometimes that's what I thought at first. Then after I changed my mind. Okay, so become equal concept question, which is able to solve this question quite easily. Okay. Right, so that's how it works.
Question 5. No, let's just move on now and just complete this paper.
Really? Is it the last question already? Okay, let them copy
No,
first.
3 more questions left.
Never mind, don't worry. You have 2 more months. We want to make sure everybody understand. 2 more months to go.
Control C. Control D. Wanna play Twilight Struggle?
Is it okay, this one? I'm gonna move on, okay? Now, is it tough? Yes, it is tough. Why? Because good things are difficult, right? I'll give you one example. Do you know how to make ice cream? Don't know, right?
Yes.
Because it's difficult.
They know how to make ice cream.
Okay, do you know how to make nice ice cream?
Yes.
Don't know, right?
How
You know.
easy it is. I know how to cheat making ice cream.
Okay, so I don't know how to make ice cream.
Still a type of ice cream from your siblings.
So I don't know how to make ice cream, right? So it's very difficult for me. Got it? But other people know how to make ice cream, and it's easy for them because they do it a lot. They do it all the time. Like Isaac knows how to make ice cream, right? So it's easy for you, but to me, huh? Who's in the chat?
Wait.
Isaac know how to make ice cream.
How to make ice cream?
Yeah. So let me continue. So it is easy for him.
Knows how.
Yeah, it's easy for your sister, but I don't know how, so it's difficult for me. But it tastes so good, right?
Same thing here.
So good things are difficult. You get it? Good things are difficult.
Like 2 days ago, I ate ice cream without my sister's knowledge about it.
So good things are difficult, huh? So easy things are not good. Okay, what's easy? Potato chip, right? Potato chips. You eat too much is difficult. So first you buy from so Isaac's definition of I know how to make ice cream is you go supermarket, open and eat. That's not making ice cream. I'm saying can you make your own? So good things are difficult. Got it? Not easy, you know.
There's a bump around there.
You melt and freeze.
Hey, look at how Isaac makes ice cream, mom.
That's not making, that's eating. Okay, question 15. 15 easy leh. Percentage question. Now suddenly percentage is like easier to do. 217. Wait, can you see yourself?
Yep.
Like, can you see yourself here in the screen?
Nope.
Can't see yourself.
Oh, wait, let me tell you. A is $324. B is $346.68.
No, A is 217.2.
What?
Yeah, 217.2. Second one, GST, $15.20. Oh, you see, you got the difficult question correct, get the easy one wrong.
No. And can we go to right now?
Okay, now I have how many minutes more to go? Got 5 more minutes, right? Probably I can do this. Can we go through it now? Yeah. Okay, cafe had a promotion for every 3 adults who ordered a set lunch, the fourth eat free. Also, there's a 70% discount each child. So the price of one set. Boston planned a birthday for 5 adults and 3 children. How much will we have to pay? So 5 adults, 3 children. Child is $28, right? There was a 70% each child, huh? So 3 children. So 3 children and there is a 70% off. So we take 0.7 times $28 first. Okay, to find the cost for the child. Then we times 3. We get a total of 25. Okay, sorry. Don't want 0.7, 0.3. Okay, we get $25.20. Now, for every 3 adults, 1 is free. The 4th adult is free. All right, what does this mean? This means if I have 5 adults, it will be how many percent free? 1 free, correct? So it's the same as 4 adults. So 4 times 48. 4 times 48 equals to 144. Correct? Okay. Then 4 times 48 is not 144. 4 times 48 is 4 times 48. 192. Because only 1% free. So you add them together. 192 plus $25.20. 217.20. 4 more minutes. Yep. So for part B, during payment, Boston saw that he was charged a GST of 7%. How much GST did he pay? So
$15.20.
yeah, so 7 over 100 times. This is part A, part B. 700 times. This is easy, this question. How come you get easy question wrong? Huh?
I was so used to doing
Yeah,
the
difficult,
question.
correct, easy, wrong. Like that will fail, you know. Because 80% is easy question, you know.
Yeah.
You get the 80% wrong, what die? Okay. So okay, I'm gonna stop here today. Homework, 2 questions. You got how many more? 1, 2. Yeah, 2 more to go. All right.
I done them already.
That's great. Then no homework for you. All right. So I'll see you next week. All right. I gotta run
Let me
because.
tell you spoilers. For question 16, A is $12, B is
Uh
$140.
huh. Uh huh. What? Okay. 16
And
wrong. Your 16 is wrong.
what? Which part, A or B?
Part A is $27. Part B is $200. Then 17 answer is what's your answer for 17?
17 is 144.
Yeah, you're 17 correct, right? So you're 16 wrong, 17 correct. Okay, so that's all for today. I really need to run. I got 1 more minute. No, sorry, 30 seconds more. Okay. Once again, I welcome you to seek consultation. Okay, if you need me to help, just message or reset. Like if you go too fast here, don't understand any one of the question, just find a 30-minute slot, right? Like what Isaac did last week. Okay, I can even do your homework. Okay, like for Isaac, I help him with his homework. I'm perfectly okay with that because I got a brain. I like to use it. I like to use my brain. Oh man, what's this? Comic Okay. See you.
Uh-huh.
Goodbye.